Hey, what's up, my people? It's Damien back at it again with a new video teaching you about how to use Microsoft PowerPoint. I'm going to show you the basic as a beginner about how to make a logo, how to design an object through Microsoft PowerPoint. So stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back. Alright, so I'm now on my window page, and this is the first step of how to create a logo with Microsoft PowerPoint. First you have to have the Microsoft Office. You can either use Microsoft 2010, or you can go up to the highest version, because you have Microsoft 2010 to Microsoft 2020, that is the Microsoft 365. So if you have that version, you can use it. But the one that I'm focusing on today is the Microsoft 2010, because all that I'm going to show you on the Microsoft 2010 is going to be differ from the Microsoft in the Microsoft Office 365, right? It also differ in the Microsoft 2016, 2018, 2019, but similar process. What I would recommend, if you have the Microsoft 2010, well, this program is for you as a beginner. And the first step you're going to do, if you don't have it on your computer, is to download it. So I'll carry you in the window, the Google browser, that is. You're going to type it in. That would be Microsoft Office 2010. But since I already have it here, I'll just click on it. It will bring me to the page immediately. Basically, you have a lot of options to choose from. The one that I'm going for is the Microsoft Office 2010 free download. So just bear in mind that you can use this. I will also share it with you in the link, so you can check the link for this copy. Once you load on the page, you will see download right here. Press download and this copy. You're going to press it again. Immediately you're supposed to get a page pop up to show you where you want to save it. So basically this is where you can choose where you want to save it. So you want to save it on the desktop, you want to save it in the download, you want to save it on documents, you name it. You can just choose the section right here, and then you press save. So I would say I want to save it right in download, so I click on save. Immediately it should be downloading, right, as you can see right here. And once it downloads, you're gonna press open. You can just press open when done, so it automatically will come up on the screen when it's finished. So to carry through the rest of the program, I will just demonstrate everything else to you. You will see me back fully after this creation. want to thank you once again to watch, like, subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. I hope you learned something today. Thank you very much.